Hey everyone, Scott here with Anatomy and Clay, and today we're going to unbox the MANIKEN Student 2. This is the Workstation Bundle, so let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay. All right, so we got everything there. First look. And first off, I'm going to pull this out here. So these are instructions for, as well as a packing list. That's what's included in your shipment here. So you can see all the items over there. These are actually two different instructions for the whole assembly as well as the half model assembly. So you want to keep those off to the side. Make sure you don't lose those. Okay, so first off, we have our clay combo kit. So we've got all of our colors in here. If you're curious what these colors mean, we have a really great video on kind of our suggested uses for these colors. You can check that out online if you want. So we've got a whole clay kit there. And then next we'll jump into our basic tool set here. You get two of those, again, for the Student 2 bundle. We've got a roller here. Have a bench scraper, so if you need to scrape off your clay after you're done building. A couple additional tools here for cutting, shaping, as well as another kind of shaping, cutting tool here. And then this is your Allen key right here. So you want to make sure that you don't lose this. This is for assembly of the models. So keep that close by and make sure you don't lose that one. Okay, next up we have two of our multi-bases here. You have two of these because you can actually split this model in half. So you can either work as a whole workstation or two half workstations. So if you're curious about how to actually set the model up and do the assembly, we have another great video on that as well. So make sure you check that one out if you're interested how to put this all together. Then next we have two boom assemblies right here. This is for if you want to split this into two workstations. You've got those as an option there. Then next up, we've got two of these. These are your boom sockets. So I'll pull one of these out here. It's already pre-set with the screw in there. This is what you're going to put your assembly into right here, and then mount it on the base right there. Again, you get two of those. And then for the final component here, the most important one, is the actual mannequin. So this is the MANIKEN Student 2 again. So we have, first off here, we've got our axial portion of the mannequin right here. You're seeing this as the whole workstation, as rather the whole assembly right here. If you do want to work in two different workstations, you just kind of take this apart here, and then you've got your two workstations that you can build independently there. So put that back together. Then from there, you've got two arms that'll attach to the top of the axial section there, and then you've got your two leg sections here. Again, if you want to break those apart, there's a little pin in the middle. Pull that apart, and then you can mount those and build those as two separate workstations. So that's everything that comes in the box with the MANIKEN Student 2 Workstation Bundle. If you do have any questions on builds and assemblies, we've got a bunch of great resources for that, especially the assembly video on breaking this in half, building the two workstations. It'll walk you through step by step how to put that together. So check that out. We'll put a link in the description below. Also have a great video on our clay combo kit and kind of our suggested colors and what to use on your build. So thanks again for tuning in, and enjoy your builds.